worth looking at is Reliance Communication. Not a very good quarter that came in. In fact, third quarter numbers have been below what the street was estimating. They've posted a net profit of about 105 crores versus 102 crores on a quarter-on-quarter basis. That's about a 2.8% jump coming in. If you look at the EBITDA margin, we've seen some softness coming in. If you compare sequentially, 31.2% versus 31.5%. Now, despite price hikes that we had seen in the last quarter, margins have come off from the last quarter, and probably not a very good point for Reliance Communication. If you look at the revenue figure, more or less in line with what the street was estimating, 5,300 crores. That's almost 1.9% above the expectations. And if you look at the ARPUs, that have remained at about 102 level kind of thing. And if you look at the revenue per minute, that has seen a bit of an increase. That probably is a good point going forward. But Reliance Communication to be in focus, results not very good according to most analysts. Also take a look at few of these oil-related stocks, and Oil India, ONGC could be in focus. The oil minister asking for doubling gas prices to about $8.5, and currently the prices are at about 4.2 odd levels, and probably a precursor to the Oil India share sale, and on the back of that we can see some reaction coming in. Also some sectors that use gas, especially for the power sector, few of the fertilizer companies could see some pressure, just a sentimental reaction coming in on those stocks. Also in Exide Industries, they are looking at buying the remaining 50% stake in ING Vysya, and they are valuing the stake at about 550 crores. And the Netherlands parent company ING probably selling their 24% and the 26% coming in from the other two promoters.